Hey everyone, welcome to new releases for today. There's 3 kits in the shop today and we're gonna get into them. Now, I also did 3 kits for a specific reason. One's kind of like a holiday-ish theme. The other one is like a neutral like photo kit, and I know not everyone likes those. And then we have a floral kit as well. So all different types of kits here. I'm gonna start off with the floral kit. I think I did a sneak peek on this kit earlier in the daytime, like yesterday. I actually designed this one a while ago, which is the Spring and Bloom kit. It's a total floral kit with purples and mint and like the periwinkle color. Probably one of my favorites, but yeah, I know not a lot of people like floral kits and everything, so there's a reason why I did the 3 kits today. So we have all the icons and the checklist boxes here, plus all of the boxes as well, and the deco sheet, which is in the deluxe kit. And also in the deluxe kit is the washi and like date header sheet. Now you can get all of these sheets a la carte if you would like those. There's also more pieces into the kits, by the way, on the website, so make sure you go check that in the description. I will link all the collections. That way you can grab whatever is in there. But that is a quick overview of the Spring and Bloom kit. And here's a closer look at these full boxes. I know I'm gonna rush through this one because I know there's a lot of different kits in here. Then we have the Beach Coast kit. Now, I didn't do a $2 Tuesday this week, so I didn't want to wait until April to release this one. So we are bringing this one out for today. I was going through a few color schemes people wanted to see. So this one's very neutral. It has some sage in it just because there's some green tones in most of these pictures. But if you want a specific color scheme for some of these photo kits, make sure you let me know, and I will try to work on some. So yeah, this one's very neutral and everything. Here's a closer look at these boxes here. It is like a beach coast type of setting, I think. But yeah, that's the full boxes. Here we have the icon sheets here, the checklist boxes, all of the functional boxes as well, the deco sheet, and then we have the washi and date header sheet. And these are like windows, by the way, it's in the washi. And the date headers, they'll have like a texture to them in case you were wondering what those are. But yeah, this one is the Beach Coast kit, super neutral, which is why I know not a lot of people like the neutrals. The last kit we have is the Hello Bunny kit. Now, this is completely more of a holiday kit if you were wanting an Easter kit, but I know not everyone does Easter, so I kind of tweaked it a little bit, and it's a bunny kit, but you can use it for Easter, and if you don't want to, then you don't have to. But it's a little bit brighter than the other colors, obviously. Here's a closer look at these full boxes. There's some bunnies in the hot air balloon, a couple of different things. You can also use this, I guess, as like if your birthday is in April type of kit. But this one is, again, it's a kind of like a niche type of kit because it's so cute. I try to cater to everyone's taste for this release. I'm not really sure how I ended up doing 3 kits this week, but I did. But here are your icon sheets. Again, you can grab all of these a la carte. You don't have to grab them in kits unless you're purchasing them on Etsy. Etsy only does, I only have kits up on Etsy. That's just the way I'm listing those. So if you want a la carte sheets, go to the website. But yeah, this one is the checklist boxes, and I did add a couple of details to those. We have your functional boxes, and then the deco sheet for the deluxe kit, and then the washi and date header sheet for the deluxe kit as well, or a la carte if you're buying them separately. So yeah, here's what those look like. It's just a pattern that I made. All the bunnies along the washi right here, and some flowers in the date headers here. That is the deluxe kit for the Hello Bunny collection. So there are 3 different kits for today's release. I will link everything down in the description. Quick thing for everyone, all of the doodles are on sale. I don't think I've mentioned this on YouTube yet, but all the doodles are 60% off. I'm redrawing everything basically, and I'm also I wanted to like redo my SKU numbers. All of them are kind of like all over the place, to be honest. And while I was renumbering things, I decided to also kind of give you an update. So they should be back soon. They are all on sale, so there's a lot out of stock at the moment. I know some people were wondering when those will be back in stock. I think the first batch will be back in stock next week for new releases. The last day to grab them on sale is the end of March, so you have a few more days to grab them. No code needed for those. They all just have the discount in your cart, but there are a lot out of stock at the moment. So if you're waiting on the new ones, check back next week. I think that's going to be like a bigger release for those. I've been working on them for a while, and then I might just start releasing them as soon as they get done. So I don't think I'll have like a set schedule, but I'll probably do a quick review on them during like the new release videos. So yeah, that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.